What's up mga momshies? Where are the Garaisis? Welcome to our channel. Welcome to our channel, and we're going to have a day out with me and Nana. It's Tuesday here in Lebanon, and they don't have class today, so we decided to go to where? Tatagan. And while Papa is at work, we'll stay there. And I'll show you around.
I'm hot.
In the souk of Alay.
Mama, I'm still hot.
Alay souk.
Mama, I'm still hot. I'm sweating.
Okay. In Alay souk, where we can find a lot of things. Parang like Divisoria Street sa Pilipinas. See you there. So ayan mga guys, mga moms, dito na kami sa Alay. Iniwan na namin si Papa sa work, and unfortunately wala si Mama sa bahay. So ayan, maglalakad muna kami ni Mama.
It's fine to have toothpick.
Like, oh, don't touch it, it might gonna hurt it. Yeah? It might gonna hurt, don't touch.
Don't touch
Yeah,
dangerous
this is dangerous.
plants.
Yes.
Don't touch dangerous plants.
Yes, yep. Sa Sinura,
Mom.
nakakakita ng mga bagong, ayan, ito Nana, oh, look. Ayan, kumukuha siya ng mga bulaklak na parang, I know, there's a lot of bugs, baby, don't touch it. Kanina may nakita siyang ganyan malaki, tapos hinihipa niya, tuwa siya, lumilipad yung mga petals. Come. Ngayon, maglalakad-lakad na kami ni Nora. Nagyayari na ako lumabas kasi gusto kong ibili ng bagong pants si Nora. Kasi itong pants na gamit niya ngayon, umikli na sa kanya. Ang bilis niya humaba. Imagine from maybe 1 month ago, 113 centimeters lang siya. Pero kahapon, sinukat ko siya 115 na. So, talagang humaba siya. Kaya, bili muna kami ng pants ko. And si Papa na rin. I'll try to look something for him. Kasi, ang laki niya na ngayon. Ayan, baby, you can take this. Where are you? Oops!
Don't you want me like baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See, tomorrow is the night of crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Ito yung mga statue na decorated dito sa sa style na to. Stand there. Okay, look at here. Shukran, yala. Oh, good. Shukran. Okay, come here, baby. Ayan. Ganyan siguro pag nasa labas kami. Well, etong overlooking ng Beirut. Kaya lang, hindi nakikita dahil ayan, ayan yung Beirut. Kung makikita niyo yung malabo.
statues there.
Yes, we go down there before yung statues na sinasabi niya. Ano siya? Tambayan. Tambayan niya sa baba.
Maybe someone died there.
No, it's only a statue, baby. Ayan. Ito ang parang bayan dito sa main probinsya
Mama,
ng
I'm so tired.
mountain.
I want to sit down.
Okay, Yala, go sit down.
Mama, sit down.
Ayan. Napagod yung bata. Ewan ko ba ba siya napagod?
I'm thirsty.
Lapit-lapit pa lang na nalalakad na.
I'm thirsty.
You're thirsty? We're gonna get by there. There's a store there. We didn't
Get Mama,
Yes, you
Mama,
have.
who wrote this?
Yeah, I don't know. They write it there.
Sorry không? Anh lên cho con đó. Sorry à, chị ơi. Chắc là hết rồi.
What is that? Ah, yeah, they put a sticker. She's observing
And the kids
the
write.
details. Yeah, Haram, they write on the stone. Yalla, let's go. So since it's Ramadan time, now they're starting. If you can hear on the background, they're calling for the prayer now. So malapit-lapit na kami sa
Mom, let me
mga
hold
store
it.
ng Grab.
Let me hold it.
Okay. Ayaw niya pahawak yung bag ko. Talagang pinakagay niya. May ako kasi. Medyo mabigat yung bag ko kasi mayroon akong pouch, yung makeup pouch ko, yung power bank, wallet ko, saka yung pabango ko. Tsaka isang t-shirt niya pamalit if in case. Kasi gusto niya pumunta sa playground mamaya. Sabi ko sa kanya, bibili muna kami ng pants niya, yung pants ni Papa. Then we will go to the playground. Yay!
Mange ça.
Ito mga accessories. Yan. Mga pantulog.
Mama, Barbie head.
Yes. Ayan. Magsa-summer na kasi. Kaya ayan. Na yung mga outfit nila. Pang summer. Nilabas na nila. Doon yan sa dulo. Mahaba to. Mahaba tong street na to ng mga bilihan. Ayan. Lakad-lakad muna kami ni Nora. Kasi nung winter talaga hindi kami nakakalabas ng bahay. Kaya sobrang laki ko na yun. Sarap kaya kumain. Sarap kaya kumain, di ba? Yeah. Ayan, gaganda ng gamit sa bahay. Wow, mga gamit. Daming gandang gamit sa bahay. Naku, tsaka ako na intindihin yung gamit sa bahay. Kasi, ang ganda pa rin naman ng mga gamit nila sa bahay. Nung lumipat kami, nilinis ko yung mga gamit. Wow.
Buy this.
Ha? What's that?
It's gold.
Gold. Can you buy this daw? Sabi niya, can you buy this?
Please, please.
Mama cannot buy that. It's too expensive. It's gold.
But you have to be expensive.
It's expensive. It's gold. You know. We'll go to Katakit.
What kind of cake?
The one for your clothes.
Okay.
Huh?
Yes.
Let's see if we can find nice clothes for you.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yes.
Come, let's go. Yan, tinagdal ko rin yung jacket ni Nura kasi medyo mainit-init na dito. Yan, nakakita na rin kami ng pants ni Papa. Nakabili na kami. Kaya hawak-hawak. So, yan na.
Mama.
Kita niyo, baby. It's so nice. You want to dress like that?
No.
Huh? No? Okay, let's go. Let's find your pants. Ngayon, pants naman ni Nura ang hanapin natin. Come. Hold Mama's hand. Yalla. Let's wait for them. Yalla. Let's go. Run. Yalla. Yay! Kaya nandito na kami sa Katakit. Nakita ko na rin si Nura. Halika na, Nura. Pasok na tayo sa loob. Tingin muna kami ng damit niya. Kasi may isa. For her school. Yalla. ba? Nakakuha na kami ng pants ni Nura. Ang bilis, oh. Kasi yung unang kita ko kagad, ang ganda, para siyang square pants. Pero jeans. Yala. So, pag nasa school siya, hindi siya, para nasa school siya, komportable siya, diba? Maluwag. Mahaba niya na kasi. Alam mo, pang, yung nakuha ko pang size, ano na, pang size 8 years old. Yung laki niya. Yala, Nana. Try this. What are you doing there? Come. You don't have cash. Nura, let's go. You don't have ATM. Ayan, malapit na kami kila Papa. Babalik na kami, malapit na kami kila Papa. Si Nura, ayan, hindi siya nakatiis sa kanyang boots. Pakita mo yung shoes, yung bago mong shoes. Napasubo ako sa kanyang tsinelas. Kasi ayaw niya na lumakad. Sa bagay, malayo-layo na rin naman yung narating namin. And nag-aaya pa siyang maglaro. So, I have no choice. Pero matutuwa naman si Papa kasi marami kaming nabili. Binadget niya talaga yan para sa amin paglilibot ngayong araw. And, dumaan muna kami kay Papa para ibagsak yung aming mga pinamili. And ayan, si Nura, excited nang kumain ng Sunday. At saka maglaro sa playground ng Burger King. Sorry.
This is the Burger King.
No, here, the Burger King. Here. Alam niyo yung back area ng Burger King. Nakalimutan niya dito kami kumain. Let's ask if they have another toy, okay?
Okay.
Okay. And we are already here. We're gonna have a little bit of our lunch. Ayan ang habol niya. Yang Sunday. Yan ang habol ng bata yan. Matagal siyang humili ng Sunday. Napagbigyan ko na nakaraan. And now, I'm going to have it a request granted with her again. Be careful, baby. Siyempre, I ko na yung sila. Dahil 1 week na ako nagda-diet. Hindi ko naman i-deprive ako sa sarili ko sa gusto kong kainin. So, minsan, meron tayong cheat day. Cheat day sa pagkain, ha? Hindi sa kung anong bagay. Bad yun. Kain na kami. Go there. Yalla. Okay, go. Enough. And ayan, thanks God, it's almost end of our day. And sure, nag-enjoy yan si Nura sa ginawa namin ngayon. Ang pag-iikot dito sa may souk ng Alay. For sure, kahit pagod yan, sobrang nag-enjoy siya. And 100% mamaya, tulog yun sa biyahe. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give me a like on this video, and soon we will be sharing you more about what we have here in Lebanon. Please subscribe to our channel. God bless you all. Bye.